Welcome to episode 10. In this episode, we will be covering how to use the virtual camera and the tracking camera in Camera Studio 3 to shoot your shots. Let's get started!
In this first part, we'll explore how to use the tracking camera, which displays your real-world video inside the scene. In simpler terms, this means that whenever you move your real-world camera, the camera in Canvas will also follow. The first step is to switch to the tracking camera. Click the camera tab at the top to enter the camera interface. Then click tracking to switch to the tracking camera. After properly connecting and calibrating your camera to your PC, your camera in Canvas should move when you move your camera. The second step is to adjust the display and quality. The lit and unlit toggle determines whether the live action image is affected by your virtual environment's lighting. Use the brightness slider to adjust how bright the image appears. If you notice lag or low performance, reduce render percentage. Choose a lower value that keeps playback smooth. The third step is working with the billboard. Click Preview next to Billboard to show a grid representing the billboard surface for better visualization. Enable Look at Camera to make the billboard automatically face the camera at all times. Finally, use Position, Rotation, and Scale to place the billboard where you want. This is perfect for arranging elements in the foreground or background.
Great! Now that you know how to use the tracking camera function, we will now be covering how to use the virtual camera.
Unlike the tracking camera, the virtual camera gives you full control over cinematic camera movements, which you can control directly in Canvas. The first step is to go to the Camera tab and click Virtual to switch to the virtual camera. This section shares many parameters with the tracking camera, so it works the same way. The second step is to adjust the image orientation and cropping to your liking. You can switch image modes using the orientation buttons: Landscape for horizontal input, Portrait for vertical input, Mirror to toggle a mirrored image output. Use the crop sliders to crop the image from any direction and remove unwanted items. The third step is to set up your virtual cameras and create paths. Under Virtual Path, you can configure up to 9 virtual camera positions. Select a camera number. Enable Free Look to move the camera using WASD. Hold the right mouse button and drag to rotate the view. Adjust the camera angle to your vision. Enable Autosave to automatically save the camera's current position. If autosave is off, the camera position will not be stored. You can also use Copy and Paste Path to duplicate or apply camera settings across different slots. Switching between camera slots allows you to build smooth camera transitions for your scene. The fourth step is to adjust your camera speed movements. To control how fast the camera moves in Free Look mode, enter a value in the Speed field. The lower the number, the faster you will go, while the higher the number, the slower you will go.
And that's the end of episode 10. In the next episode, we'll be covering how to use Neocore's multi-person AI motion capture system with Camera Studio 3. See you there!